Now बच्चे currency. Currency is the money we pay for goods and service we buy. Which service, goods, that things you buy na, and you just give money for that. Each country has its own currency system. Each and every country there is their own currency is there. So the currency of our country is rupee. Our country currency what? There is a rupee. We use note as well as coins. Using notes and coins also. Coins are made in mints and notes are printed. Now coins are made in mints. Mints is a place where coins are made and notes are printed. There is a printed notes is there na. So these are issued by the Reserve Bank of India, that is called RBI. Okay, who issued these coins and that notes? That RBI. There is a Reserve Bank of India. Do you know the scientific study of the coins? The scientific study of the coins is called numismatics. Okay, numismatics. Currency symbols. Now if there is a currency, each and every country having a currency na, then there is a symbols also have different symbols have. We can differentiate the currency of different place by looking at the sign and symbol made on it. Okay, so we have to differentiate with the help of symbols. So for example, all India notes and coins have the national emblem. See here, there is a national emblem on given on our coin and also on our notes also given. So this is show that this is the currency of the India and printed on them along with the other symbols. Okay, see here. Now coins have two sides. Our coin having two sides, this and this. Okay, so the denomination and the year of issue are mentioned on the one side. Bache denomination is there is price given, this number given, that is called denomination. And year also, this is year when this coin is issued. So that both things are given on one place, one side, and the national emblem and the name of the country are engraved on the other side. Engraved means that see here that na make this thing make na. Okay, if you touch it you feel na some hard, that is engraved. Okay, by touching you just feeling a hard. Here our note, the picture of our note, Indian currency notes also have two sides. But say coins having two sides. Now our note having two sides. So this is the front. On the front what given? That is picture of the Mahatma Gandhi. You seen na? Okay, and a security thread. Here you have to see na green or I think blue. There is a thread you can see on your note. And here na sign of the RBI governor. Okay, and here you have to see the emblem. Okay, national emblem. And here you have to see seal of RBI. Okay, this is the stamp of the RBI. Here you have to see, and number to each unique note. Bache, here na number given, only one note having a single number. Okay, this number repeated not. And this is the back side of the our note. It's a denomination. I said na that number, how much money is there, that denomination. Year of the issue, here na year written also, and watermark here. I will explain later that what is watermark. Okay, and denomination in different scripts and different languages written. See here, in English also written na here. Okay, and in mathematics here written, So there is a different denomination in different language, that is denomination written on the our note. So now what is watermark? Now watermark is an image or a pattern on a currency note. बच्चे, this is here now you have to see image, and that image you have to see with the help of light. Okay, so it can be seen only when light is passed through it. Here na there is a picture. If light passing through there, then you have to see the picture of that. Okay, so watermark is added to prevent circulation of fake currency. बच्चे, with the help of watermark na we prevent our fake currency. Okay, fake currency not circulate in all India. Now security thread is thin ribbon woven into a note. बच्चे, see, firstly I tell na that there is a thread in our note. Okay, and why this thread is given on our note like a watermark na, this also prevent imitation, that copy here written imitation of currency note, but with the help of na this thread we prevent imitation, that is copy of the currency note. So here given the different currency and different countries currency is there. This is the dollar. Dollar is the currency of USA. Pound is the currency of England. Euro, this is the currency of France. Here written dirhams, that UAE, and Riyal Saudi Arabia, Riyal Saudi Arabia, and last is Nepalese rupee. So these are the different countries having their different own currency. Thank you बच्चे, I hope you understood the chapter.